Hello guys, so welcome in another tutorial of AutoCAD. In this tutorial we will see how we can move objects centrally with the help of M2P command. So what is M2P command? It is used to place the object between two objects in the center. So for this you need two objects. I am copying these objects like that. So now I want to place this table between these two chairs. So what we will do, we will select our first object and then we will press M on the keyboard and enter for move. Then it will ask us for the base point. So we will enter base point to the center of the circle. Then we will put another command which is M2P command and then we will press enter. Then we have to select 2 point. So this is the first point and this is the second point, and the object will be placed centrally between these 2 points. So this command is very helpful while placing the furniture in the AutoCAD. Thank you.